Yo. Hold on a second. There's a lot of cackling outside. I got to close another door. Hold up, though. What? Trying to figure something out here. Oh. Fuck's going on? Anyway. Yeah. What are you guys doing? There it is. That's what I was looking for. All right. There it is. Thanks, Jay. Hashtag thanks, Jay. Who's out here? Kenny, Slick Rick, The Ruler, Tim Morgan, Robert Gallus, Crank, Maximus, McLovin, Danny Sivas, AS, Bowser, Illuminati. Say my name. Is that Renee from John Jay? It is. Alfred, JP, NJ, P Shenanigan, yo. MCC, LeBron's, Trader Dude. Yo, is that Amit? Yo. JK, Konija, Hotshot, Just Ain't Right. Mwah. Andy, Tactical. Greg. Alfred. Thanks, Jay. Thanks, Jay. I need some fucking chapstick. My lips are gonna burn off if I don't get chapstick right now. Let me turn my screen on so we can at least look. We could just look at it. Whoopsie. Let's see if that works. Let's see if it still works. Yeah, I need some chapstick though. I'm burning up over here. I'm burning up. All right. Well, let's just say you got some NQ here. Did I black out? No, we're good. Jay's lips were working overtime last night. I wish. Jack Boom. Sean. Eric Graham. LeBron's. Nanad. Yo, Father. What up? A milli. This shit is pumping now. What's crazy is we fucking bounced basically right off the 707. Just a casual bounce. What up, game time? Just a casual. How many points is this now? Casual 150-point bounce. Corey, Canute, Tippity Top, South Tribe. Think I got everybody. I'll be right back. I need chapstick. I'm dying over here. All right. Damn, look at that shit go. Damn, son. Mr. Rogers. You wild, Mr. Rogers. You guys ever see that shit? The AI with Tupac and Mr. Rogers? No skills. De Leon. Guys. Cody. Trending world. Just buy the dip, guys. You see, guys? Damn. Day Trail, what up, Cut? Crazy. Look at that shit. I mean, whoops, that's not what I wanted to do. We were all the way up here, just under 25,000. Today, this is the 5-minute chart. We dropped from there. We dropped almost 500 points. The low a day is here. Nice little casual 540 tick range today. 540 point range today. Nothing to see here. Here's gold. Gold. I love gold. Here's the range on gold. 559. Almost 800 ticks. Crazy. Yeah, Tim. I finally got in. Guys, let me know. Let me know if the site loads for you. It took me forever to get into the site, but I was able to grab some evals. I finally was able to grab some evals. Here's the link. If you're going to grab an account, use the best code ZERODAYJAY. 80% off, $40 to make them holla, lifetime activation fee. What time is NVDA? I think it's at 4:20. 4:20 Eastern. Can anyone confirm that for Ryan? Oh, Pete, thank you. Thank you. Yeah, they got really fucked up from that Cloudflare outage really fucked up their site somehow. I don't know how, but it did. Because it hasn't been the same since. Yeah, that one's funny. There's a bunch of them. The one with the what did he say the joke? Mr. Rogers says him and Mr. Rogers are sitting Mr. Rogers and Tupac are sitting on a bench. And Mr. Rogers is like, what do you call a virgin in German? And Tupac's like, I don't know, Mr. Rogers, what? And he says, Mr. Rogers is like, good and tight. And fucking Tupac's like, oh, sheesh, Mr. Rogers, you wild. It's just fucking hilarious. Oh my God. Yeah, dude. What you know what was happening to me, McLovin? You just got to keep trying. Maybe clear your cache. What happened with me was I kept getting on the login page, session timeout. Then I would finally get through that, and then I would get to the two-factor authentication page. And then on that page, it was like it kept saying that it failed and you had to wait, and there's a countdown timer. I finally was able to get in. I'm just going to keep refreshing this shit. I'm going to wake up every 20 minutes and refresh at night. So I want to be able to request my payouts on Friday. Micah, you wow, Mr. Rogers. Jay Stores, 420 confirmation. Thank you. Hot shot. Oh, there's one with Easy E. You like Bofa? And Easy E's like, you wow, Mr. Rogers. Shit is fucking hilarious. It looks just like them. There's no fucking like, you wouldn't, if someone didn't know that Tupac was dead, you would have no idea. They would think that's real. Carlos, what up? MLK AI? No way. What the fuck? I got to see that shit. You wow, Mr. Rogers. Oh, man. All right. Oh, yeah. No, Corey. I hate to break the news to you, bro. Yeah, he's been dead, allegedly been dead for a little while. He wrote the song a long time ago, a real long time ago. They have Martin Luther King as a WWE champion. I seen a video. There's a guy that puts out this guy named Tyler Hansen puts out really cool content. Right up anybody who's a fucking conspiracy theorist, right up their alley, right up your alley, if you're anything like me. And he said that, and he does like this thing with people, and he fucking like, he finds the same birthmarks on both of them. He'll say, like, for example, Martin Luther King is now Don King. And he fucking finds the fucking birthmarks and they match identically. Makes you wonder. I mean, he does it endless. He's done it with so many people. But that was an interesting one since we're talking about MLK being in the WWE and shit. DS. You traded your one and only 50K PA for 7 days, every day making 600 plus. On 8th day, I made 500 and was at 5,500. Why? Why would you do that? Why'd you do that, man? You don't need to do anything once you're over 4,100 if your consistency rule is good. All you have to do is flip. Yeah, no, I get it, bro. Believe me, I've done it. I've learned. I bet you'll never do that again. You traded that shit like a boss. You didn't need to do anything else. Fireflame Builds, what up? Yo, you be going full. Yeah, bro. Why though? I don't understand. If you're at 5,500 and you're averaging $600 a day, you don't even need to worry about the consistency rule. You can't request. There's no point in pushing like at 5,500, and you were up 500 on day 8. So what were you doing? Trying to just get 600 every day? Even at 500, you were at 6,000. All you need is 4,100 to get the max of 2,000. Oh man, I've been there before. Guess what I didn't do? Once I became eligible for a payout on my Apex accounts, guess what I didn't do? Try to get more. I got my 5 days in, right? And I got my flip days in. I got a flip day in. And I was green on the flip day. This is a brand new funded account. My 500th funded account with Apex. Got it up 320 on day 1. And I stopped. I stopped. That could have been a lot more, but whatever. I was trading it during some major cuckery. Why do that shit to yourself, bro? Now look, now you just feel awful. Now you feel awful. It's not worth it. Can I get, what do I need? The lowest account I would need $438 or $538. Could I do it? Absolutely. Is it worth risking and then potentially not getting anything? Fuck no. I just did that with my trade day account. I wanted to get a little more. I could have requested more money, and guess what? My live trade day account is gone. I could have kept milking that shit. But I was a greedy fuck. I didn't think getting $420 would have been as hard as it was, even though I canceled banger trades that would have got me more than that. And then the ones I did take were the fucking shitty trades. CP, what up? Great job. See, I'm sure you're not going to keep pushing that account, right? Up 5,300 above the buffer. You're going to request, right? The goat, Micah, the goat of flipping. DS, we're not giving you tough love. Obviously, you told us because you need a hug. Just, yo, when you get to that point, just know what you're trading, you don't need to push anymore. Get the money. Take the fucking money. You were more than good on that account. Micah, I only got 2, bro. I got the one that I requested, and then they sent me whatever was left because they have they keep a buffer, and then that's the rest of that is mine. So I got $889 total. Awful. Could have been at least 1,000 if I would have just stopped and requested. Could have been at least 1,000. Or really could have been at least 1,389. They keep a $500 buffer for slippage, and then once you get below it, you're done. And that's what happened to me. I will not make that mistake again. I can tell you that. We've all been there. We've all been there. But that group of accounts, that was the same group of 3 accounts, right? And it was a total of, what is it? 6930 times 3, 207.90. And then I paid 140 for data. I paid 140 for the COMEX data on the live account. So $347.90, but I got a total of what? 87.28 plus 389. I got a total of $9,117 from those 3 accounts. Not bad. And then here I am in bulenox, right? You see these guys? The leader and the follower. Oh, one of my fucking 91% of rebuilds came through when I fucking blew it. Although I was right. Just at the wrong time. So I lost, $15.75. In 30 days, I'll get it back. But the leader and the follower, the funded accounts, none of my funded accounts were harmed in today's trading. The leader and the follower are now 6 days in on this new sequence on this new payout period. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I just need 2 more days of $150 or more, and then I'll flip the other 2 days. Or I'll trade not to lose a couple $100. That's what I'm going to do on these 2 days if I could get the other 2 in. And my account balance is over 6,000. I am almost 2,000 over max payout land. I'm almost 2,000 over max payout land. 6,100 would be 2,000 over. CyberPie. I don't know, man. Cloudflare really fucked them up. Yeah, DS, the win rate's great. All that shit. I don't care what my win rate is. When the money's available to take, I'm tired. I can't say that because I just did it with Trade Day, with the live account, but 9 times out of 10, I'm taking the fucking money because of shit like that could happen. What happened to you has happened to me plenty of times and a bunch of other people. It's not worth it. You had fucking 50, you had 6,000 and all you needed was 4,100. You know what I'm saying? I know you'll never make that mistake again. Great job on your win rate and great job on growing the account. Now you know you could grow it to max payout land because you just did. Just do it again, especially now. Apex is 80% off, $40 to make them holler lifetime activation fee with the best code ZERODAYJAY. Nathaniel, what up? I know it's still tripping. It's like you got to like keep trying. I finally got in. Like I'm in right now. And like I don't want to fucking let the session end. I need to keep refreshed, I need to keep this session live so when Friday comes around, I can request my payout after the market closes. I'm sure by Friday this shit will be fine, but right now it's still kind of fucked. Maybe they'll extend the sale. Maybe they'll sweeten the pot. So I showed you Apex. I showed you bulenox. Damn, look at this shit. Mr. You wow, Mr. Rogers. Shit is great. All right. Right there. 618 so far. What's gold doing? Flagging. Or, oh, I see. Do I have any take profit trader? Yeah. Chris, yeah, I don't know. That shit is. So they announced the sale, then fucking Cloudflare fucking goes down. And their site hasn't been the same since. There's so many deals, P. Cody. Yeah, I feel you. 20% still isn't terrible, but I know what you mean. Wixie. I'm just waiting for one of these random people I've never seen before to say, I just faded you, Jay. Thanks. What up, Dom? NVDA earnings at 4:20 p.m. Eastern. Oh, nice, Corey. The Fibs be fibbing all day. I love the Fibs. What else could I show you? Here's my take profit trader accounts. I had two 50Ks that were halfway up, and I had the other 1,500 locked in the fucking bag, and I found a way to fuck it up. Hashtag thanks, Jay. So now I have three 150s because I had some credits sitting in the account, and I fucking took advantage of it. And then I reset one of my 50Ks. So not bad. If I could get these passed, I will grow these nice and easy. And just my goal is to get Pro Plus accounts. My goal with Take Profit Trader is to have 5 Pro Plus accounts. I got a long way to go before I even get there, but maybe I could do it with these. Just ain't right. Thanks, Jay. Call Leo. Yeah, maybe Leo's the one that's fucking with their shit again. What else can I show you? Oh, I had 3 fucking evals that I blew with Lucid. I fucked up so many evals today, but all of my funded accounts are safe. Here's my funded account. I got it up 271. I am 3 days in. I have 3 days of $100 or more, and I am $316 away from max payout land and being able to request on Friday. How hard can it be? How hard can it be, guys? So I took advantage of I don't even know what the discount is, but I paid $63 for these resets each. I just want to watch you walk away from me. I just want to watch you walk away, babe. Take your time.
Ow. Ow.
Oh, what's going on in there?
Oh my God.
It's not me.
You didn't even try to help me.
Oh my goodness. Oy, oy, oy is right. All right. Let me get the fuck out of this account. Let me get this shit. iTrade. Danks here. Their website's loading right now, or are you being sarcastic? It's like hit or miss. But I'm in. I'm in. I got in. Got to refresh. Got to refresh. Oh, wow. It loaded. You see that? That's encouraging. Hey, click. Hey, let me know if Apex's site is loaded for you. Click that. You just bought 10 evals and 2. Oh, now I think they got their shit under control now. JK. Nice. Nice. 80% off, $40 lifetime activation fee. Kevin G. Maybe. You never know. It's wild out here. It's wild like Mr. Rogers. What do we want to do? What do we want to do here? Sal, what's up? Marcos. Yeah, it takes a little while. I noticed that too. There was a delay on my account showing up in TradeAvate. It'll show up eventually. If you see it in the dashboard, and you see it in your Apex dashboard, you will get it. Do they move everything to Pro Plus, Fireflame? Jay Jackson. Woo! I appreciate it, man. Micah. Yeah, I'm just leaving them, bro. I was actually way over. I had to lose money. Let's see. I'll show you. That's how I could find it. See, I was over. Well, actually, I was only over by 75 bucks on those. These are the 250Ks I fucking blew. Awesome. And then I did the old trick with ZB. ZB, guys. You see, guys? This shit is popping all fucking day, guys. The best community on. Damn, son. Get that money. All day, this shit's popping off. All fucking day. All day. Oh, my God. What the fuck? Yo, Alfred. Oh, my God. I got to watch this. I won't watch it now, but I'm going to. You wow, Mr. Rogers. Tupac's he's wearing jeans. I got to watch that shit so bad. Oh, man. Anyway, hold on. I got to hide my screen for a second. I'm texting this to myself. I got to slide into my own DMs. Anyway, what are we doing here? Yo, what up, Isaac? Volks Parts, what up? They changed their policies? Yeah, because they got a nice chunk of the market share. Now they're fucking tightening things up. Probably for compliance reasons. All these new, what did they do? Cody, yeah, their site seems to be moving fast now. Let's see. Oh yeah, it's moving fast. You see how fast that shit loaded? This shit's moving fast as fuck, boy. All right. Cool. Anyway. 80-20, huh? Yeah. Yeah. They all, I don't want to say they all do it, but a lot of the newer firms, especially ones that are coming over from somewhere else, like they were in the Forex space or whatever, they come in and are really aggressive with their marketing to get a market share. And then once they feel like they got a nice little chunk of it, they fucking start changing shit around, not in the trader's favor. You know, if anything, you know, that's like just milk them in the beginning while you can, you know. What up, Vincenzo? When I say milk them, earn as many payouts as you can before they change the rules. Requesting 2 max payouts on Lucid. Fuck yeah. Nice job. Nice job. Tech Review Futures. Funded next, apparently. I don't trade with them, so I don't even know. Great job, Robert Gallus, on the max payouts with Lucid. Fuck yeah, bro. What size accounts? Yeah, that's good though. 25Ks, no doubt. So that's $2,000. Fuck yeah, bro. Good shit. I'm $316 to make them holla away on these three. On this one, I mean, to get my third payout. How hard can it be? How hard can it be? Oh, my trade days, the ones I had yesterday, I blew them. But, you know, we did it again. I had a rough time trading evals today. I can tell you that much. But anyway, no funded accounts were harmed. All right, that's why am I in MNQ? Get the fuck out of here. Let's draw another happy. Let's draw a happy Fibonacci here. Oh, look. See that view? You see how the VWAP fucking jumped? That's something new that never happened with fucking tradeday. Rejected off the upper the VWAP band. Investors, what up? Miss Goody. The last $50, yeah, your fucking your butthole started tightening up. Bro, I know. I've been there. Isn't it crazy how fucking much our mind fucks with our heads when we're getting close to something, especially with trading? Second payout on funded next. Nice job, man. Great job. We love people winning. We want everybody to win. I think it's at 420, NVDA. Gurpreet. What's going to happen here? Mr. Rogers. Now, is this the low or is this the low that I want to be targeting? Let me see. Where will the 618 be here? 618 will be at 630, 601, 575. Shit's moving real slow right now. What's gold doing? Just cucking along. Gold's just cucking along. But if you look, if I start drawing happy little Fibonacci's on the smaller time frame, we wick to the 786 both times and rejected. This one was a little closer. This one went a little bit over. And then you know what? Let me get rid of all these. I'm curious. What do I need on this? I'm just worried that it comes all the way down here. Well, I don't know. I don't know if that's going to happen. Oh, nice, man. Hell yeah. His real name's Clarence. Jasmine, what up? Corey. Yeah. I know what you mean. I want to hold on to these as long as possible. I want to see how much I can get out of them. So far, I'm at 6,000 with these two accounts total. I'm two $150 or more days away from making it 9,000. And then I think after that, I could run them up a little bit more. I could request beyond max payout land. It's just kind of moving very similarly. We'll see. Got to pick up the kids. All right, man. Well, thanks for popping in. I'll still be on probably by the time you get back. Yeah. I'm with you on gold about to drop. I don't know how much it's going to drop, though. I got orders here in case it plays off of this fucking 786 and 707. The only thing I'm worried about is that it might want to go lower. Like, well, welp. You know, I'm thinking maybe, you know, it might want to, I was concerned that it might want to come like down here. Watch me get 75 ticks with only 2 instead of 4. Really, I need 76 ticks. I don't know if I'm going to get it, though. Oh, we got fucking, yo. We got the algo candles. 40 seconds before the algo candle. Mr. Rogers. You wild, Mr. Rogers. $20 seconds. Kind of scared right now. I'm going to put a stop in place. Here's the NQ. It dropped and then it popped. That's 40 points, yo. 40-point range on that candle. Damn. me go back to gold. Let me go back to my trade that I'm in. This ain't happening. Imagine. I don't think we have enough time for that to happen. Wishful thinking. Uh-oh. Let me at least not put myself in a position to not lose any money. Keep going. All right, I'm locking in some gains here. We're locked into Gainesville. Thanks, Jay. Thanks, Jay. 420. Dude, I don't know. Maybe a little bit of both. Maybe a little bit of both. AJ. See, dude. Of course, I wouldn't get filled in all of them. I'd be up. Where was my other order? Like down here. I'd be up like 50 fucking ticks. Let's see. Let me go back here. This order would have been 25. I'd be up almost 50 ticks right now with full ported. I didn't want to risk it though, but it did bounce off the 707. Now I just have gain. I'm locking in gains. It would be amazing if it goes all the way up here. I just don't know. I don't think it's going to happen. What do I need? Oh, I need more than that. I'm not going to get it, but I'm probably going to get taken out here, which is fine. This is wrong. Need to go here. Wishful thinking. Maybe it happens though. Maybe, guys. Just maybe. You see, guys? Oh, very, very good. I don't know if it will. What's going on with the NQ? So we dipped right in that candle, 78. We're up 70 points from that spot. Mr. Rogers. Keep fucking going, son. Keep going, gold. I love gold. I love gold. I wish I was full. Yo, this shit went up. If I got filled, if it dropped a little bit more and filled me on both orders and I'd be in with 4, it would need to get to 800 or 801 for me to get 3,000 on that one trade. It's probably going to go there. But I don't have all 4. I'm not in with all 4. Isaac, I don't know, man. Up or down? Let me ask. Hey, let me show you guys my poll. What do you guys think? NVIDIA, up or down, or up then down, or down then up? NVIDIA, for NVIDIA. We're gonna find out what everybody thinks. Up, down, up, then down. Mr. Rogers, look, oh my God, I'd be so close to fucking, Damn, that was $340 more. I'm going to get taken out. Watch. I'm probably going to get taken out. Look. $786. You see where that fucking red, oh my God. Of course. All fucking day. Yo. Well, I got $710 so far. But I was up a lot more. At least I locked in gains this time, unlike that. Oh, look, and it came back up. It took me out. You fucking piece of shit. It took me out, and then it fucking bounced right off of my where it took me out. So I got out at I think it comes down lower though. I got out at 66. It went up to fucking 96. I had $600 more to make them holla. What's going on here? Damn. 55-minute candle. So the 50-minute candle was how many points? 78. About 60 points from top to bottom. We didn't go up 60 points on that candle. We went up from 5. We went up like 33 points. But overall, the MOC, the range on MOC is 82 points. 82-point range on MOC. Sean, Konija. I already did. I'm out of the trade. I got taken out of the trade. This is not a trail. This is an order actually. In case this fib fails, and if you expand the fib to the next low, this is on where is it? If you expand the fib to the next low, this is at the 707. That order. If I go there, let me look on the fucking on this shit. We're just hanging around the top orb. We bounce off the top orb. Wish I fucking knew that. Wish I was paying attention enough to know that. Mr. Rogers. See, that's the low. I don't even know if that's the low of the day, but that's the last low after we dropped fucking hardcore, right? So I don't know if we're going to get down that far. The bottom orb is at 655. Where's that account? 655 is the bottom orb. Yeah. But what's crazy is like if it comes all the way down here, I could have just went short and fucking rode that shit. Is that my daughter's car? Sounded like that? Oh no. It's like my fucking daughter's car has I thought it sounded like it had an exhaust leak. Wasn't her. Rick. 420, apparently. Yeah, Apex is working really good now, guys. Site's loading fast as fuck, boy. If you want to take advantage of 80% off with $40 lifetime activation fee, you can right now with the best code ZERODAYJAY. Left to right. Yeah, Konija. Yeah, you might be on a little bit of a delay. I wish I did move it up some more. I wanted to give it some room to breathe in case it pulled back and then bounced, but it's just going down now. Oh, wait, that's ANQ. Yeah. I think it goes lower. Nice job, Rick. Great fucking job, man. 5 for 10 passes on passes smash. Love to see it. $40 lifetime activation fee. Crazy. It's on a little bit of a delay in that regard. It took a while for mine to show up too. Carlos. Nathaniel Jones, maybe they'll do it. All right, it's 4 o'clock. I'm kind of glad I got out of that fucking long, right? In my Lucid accounts. I got out here. It's down 26 ticks from there. Now, does it bounce here? You know, on the smaller time frame, Fib? I mean, we're about at a 707 or 786. Maybe it does do that. Yeah, Chris, Apex's site is working really good now. It's working perfectly, actually. You know why there's probably a delay? You know why everybody's waiting for their accounts to show up in Tradeday longer than normal? Because the site's finally working and everybody's flooding the site and buying accounts because they've been waiting for 2 days to be able to do this shit. So, you know, it took a while for mine to come too. I have a feeling we're just going to cuck around until earnings. Oh, man. You could always use my code also at Take Profit Trader for 40% off with no activation fee. Tradeday, 30% off with no activation fee. Lucid, 40% off 25 and 50Ks, 30% off everything else, and an extra 5% for new users. Bulenox, 85% off option 1 or option 2, which means the end of day accounts are also only $26, the 50Ks, which is crazy. And my fund the futures for a 0% discount, but my code does have the highest pass rate, the highest payout rate, and the fastest payout rate, according to the prop firm Streets. It's funny. I'm up 710. I won that trade. Where's that fucking jerk off who was fucking saying, thanks, Jay? I know they're watching. They were pretending like they were acting like they faded me. Where are they? Thanks, Jay. I just passed 10 Apex accounts. I'm done for the day now. Yeah, of course. Not crickets. Crickets, as always. Preneur X. Thanks, Jay. Christopher Branzol, what up? I trade, yeah. Well, I mean, yeah, it's going to be interesting. It's definitely going to be interesting. It basically, that MOC pump just got undone. We're back to where that 50-minute candle initially dropped. So when the 50-minute candle came around, we dropped real quick and then popped. We're literally back at that same exact spot. Thanks, Jay. Thanks. I feel like that could be the low. What's going on with gold? Wow, gold? No, that's not gold. Yeah, gold did drop, though. Look at that. It dropped below my entry. That's, you know what's funny? If I move this back up, it basically came down to the 707 on my original fib and bounced off of it. Of course. Of course. John Q. Dead cat. Yeah, activation fee is the same. It's end of day trailing. It has like some weird scaling rules. Like I don't know too much about it because I trade the intraday. I never mess with those. And I think it has a daily loss limit. P&L, yeah, hell yeah, bro. Christopher Branzol, 420, I think. Oh, P, they're always lurking. Like little like fucking creeps behind the bushes. Thanks, Jay. Hold on, let me fix my bulenox. Hold on, guys. This is all wrong. I lied. I'm red. I lied. I'm red. Watch. Hold on. Let me fix it. Yeah, there we go. Isn't that fucked up? So if anyone in streamer mode, right, is red, all they got to do is hide their shit, right? All they got to do is go activate streamer mode on the balance, the drawdown, the P&L, the unrealized P&L, or they can leave that because then they don't have they would only show if you were in a trade and just be like, look, if you were red, right? All they have to do is go back in here. I bet they've done it before. Maybe they do it over a Top Step because they hide all their shit now for your safety, for your protection and their privacy. What if they were red and you could literally change the fucking red color to green and vice versa? Funny shit. What does this mean? Is that like another thing? Oh, distance to. I see. I thought it does that anyway. But in all reality, I'm fucking green. You can't change the calendar. Can't change the fucking calendar. I've had this account. I've had the two of these accounts, these two funded accounts, since October fucking 3rd. I only have one red day. One red day out of how many days traded? 10, 20, 26 days traded. Pretty good. Let's see what my overall fucking win rate is. It's probably not the best, but I'm getting fucking paid. I already got $6 grand. How do I see the overall? Look, 57% win rate. You don't have to have a fucking 90% win rate to get money. It's because a lot of like times I'll get shaken out of a trade. I'll get stopped out for a small loss well, not always a small loss. Well, that bounced right off of that shit. Where's gold at? Wrong account. Gold is still chilling down here. DBT, what up? Kevin Tobias, TT Beezy. Tim Morgan. You know it, bro. You know the deal. Fuck a stop loss. What's that? Renee, thank you. John Q. Yeah. It's just the ones that are just like, I don't know. There's some weirdos that come out of the woodworks. What up, Neil? Yeah, I'm about to. Well, I don't, not with a 300K though. I think they're $79.60 or some shit. The 150s, the 250s, and the 300s are the same price. Hold on, what are they? By the way, I'm on Twitter. Follow me on X, aka Twitter. 79.40 for the 150, 250, and 300. After putting in the best code ZERODAYJAY. All in for what? $119.40 on any of those bigger accounts. The all-in price at this 80% off and $40 lifetime PA fee is the lowest ever on 25 and 50Ks. It was with 72, but now it's 80%. It's more lower. It's more gooder, guys. It's much more gooder. What's going on here? What's going on here? Wrong account. I got so many fucking accounts. Stock cards and bets. Leaders. What up, man? Hey, John. No problem, man. I appreciate you for coming on, John. I appreciate you for coming on. And that's what, a lot of people, well, haters don't realize about this stream. You shouldn't be coming here trying to copy or fade trades. This is a place to come to fucking decompress from however your day went. That's what this became. Lucid's great. Nice. Yeah, hey, I was on a rough patch too. September was awful. September, September and the first half of October were fucking brutal for me. But I'm pretty sure I'm out of that. I mean, I've gotten almost 20. I got paid over $19,000 in less than a month. 19,088, something like that. And then I got another 389 yesterday from that trade day live I fucked. But I did get another payout. So I'm at like, what is that? $19,477 in like 31 days or 32 days. Not bad. Leaders, thank you. I appreciate it. And he's not saying I'm the GOAT of trading. Maybe to him, I'm the GOAT of someone he could relate to on his trading journey. What up, Almus? Cajun. I don't know why I can tell you one thing, Cajun. They're not doing it on purpose. They want you to gamble on that shit. They want you to gamble, and they probably hope that you blow that shit. Yeah, leaders. I get it. I get it. Trader Bob. Yo. Smash the like button for Trevor LeConte. Yo, gold isn't moving at all. Yeah, this is what I thought was going to happen right with fucking NVIDIA coming. I should pee now. I got to pee. And I need coffee. I should do that now. Tony Gold. What up? Tory Trade's husband. Hello. Your avatar guy you arrested in Orange County. Oh, my God. Bobby Digital. The live account's gone, bro. I blew it yesterday. I'm back in fucking Simfluencer land. I'm a full-blown Simfluencer again. I had to get, and I've been having trouble just getting my fucking $900 days in. So I had to start all over again. Trusty Tran. But I am, oh, wow. What the fuck was that? Dude, that's 100 points right there. You see that? That was 100 points. From here to here. That's fucking crazy. You wow, Mr. Rogers. We're just cucking around over here. All right, I'll be right back. I'm going to pee. Get more coffee. I'm going to fill up my ZERODAYJay birthday mug. And then we're going to fuck around and find out for earnings. Hit the trap. I'll be right back. Smash the like button for Trevor LeConte. If we don't get to 73 likes, I'm not coming back. I'm going to watch. I'm going to monitor it on my phone. Okay? All right. I'll be right back. Keep an eye on this shit for me. I got these orders down here too. Where is it? Here. I don't know. Down here. I don't know if it's going to get filled. I'll be right back. Oh shit, I got filled, bro. Get the fuck up there. How much do I need? 25 more ticks, guys. Give it to me, please. Right? I'm locking this shit in. I'm not letting myself lose money. Look at that 786 bounce. I hope it goes up more. Let me go back to the bathroom. Maybe I'll get it. Oh, don't come back down, you fuck. Go back up. Damn. That sucks. Maybe it goes back up for me. How far away was it? I had another 680 bucks. I was at almost 2,000. I'm going to get taken out. At least I'll get taken out for a gain. Fuck me. You piece of shit. Now it's going to bounce. Thanks, Jay. Thanks, Jay. All right. It doesn't look promising in either direction right now. Let me put an order down here. 76. Here, I got a short order on this account. Let's see. And then on this one, we'll go long up here. 42. A little bit. We'll count a little for some slippage. What the fuck? Oh my God, I got fucked so hard. I got fucked so hard on that. What happened? That's fucked up. It went up. I was right. That's bullshit. Utter bullshit. Thanks, Jay. Thanks, Jay. I can't believe that just fucking happened. Probably didn't need to go in with 10. Yeah, Imagine being right and somehow losing $5,700. V33. That was crazy. Cut. That was the dumbest shit ever. Come here. Oh. Oh, I'm in short. That's why. Fuck you. Oh my God. I think I was up 1,500. I was up, 3,000. No, I was up 1,500. Let's try again. Oh, wrong account. Like I said, I hate trading the NQ. I got fucked on the first one for sure. 91. Oh my God, are you fucking kidding me? I did that wrong. Fucking cocksucker, bro. Am I going to get fucked here? You piece of shit! I did the math wrong. Thanks, Jay. Can I get one of these fucking things? Can I get one right? So I got fucked on one. I fucked myself on the other. And then one of them I was just wrong. That shit dropped. What account was that? 58? I got in here. Where's the fucking thing? There it is. I can't fucking find it. That's what she said. 91 to 78. Yeah, it went down enough. It went down more than enough. I just didn't fucking have, I fucking couldn't. I hit the fucking short button to make my order, and I was supposed to hit a long order because I was in short. So stupid. Why am I so stupid? Can I get this one, you fucking cocksucker? Thank you, you fucking piece of shit. Look at this. I'm up $654 and the account's blown. What's going on in Lucid? Oh my God, it fucking bounced. Look, this thing would be passed. These would be passed. Fuck me. It bounced off the 618 on this larger time frame. Nayo, Forex Elite, what up? I got fucked. No, you didn't. No, you didn't. You didn't fade shit. You didn't fade shit because you would have. Did you fade me on these? No. Hey. What a loser. I knew you were a fucking loser troll. Hey, show us in the Discord. Let's see it. Once again. Little bro. I wasn't live when I traded these. Yeah, I was. And you were here. You didn't see me trade those? What were you fucking jerking it with some jergens? Yeah. It's probably some kid with a really long neck. Yeah, you were gooning. You were fucking fapping it. Thanks, Jay. I'm more annoyed about what happened with this account. Where was it? Well, this one was user error. This one right here, I went long. I was long. Somehow this is how it played out. I probably should have went long with less. Yeah, Chris, it's moving fast as fuck. Yeah, he little broed me. I never seen the same person with so many fucking fake accounts just to fucking be a douchebag. Imagine wasting that energy on being the biggest fucking loser in the world. Definitely got a long neck, Marcos. Here's the link to the Discord. Show your executions. Yeah, we're still waiting for your executions since yesterday. Is this shit still going? Oh, no. Cube, it might be one person I could think of that's been wanting to wear me as a skin suit since I fucking started my channel. But whatever. They only, like I said, they only say they faded me on the losing trades, but they didn't fade me on these, right? They didn't fade me on these. They didn't fade me on this one. Where is it? Oh, wrong account. They didn't fade me on the one that passed here. They didn't fade me on this one either. That went long. Where is it? That was long on. Only the losing trades. Tyler, a million. Yeah, it's weird, Neil. If it probably is him. Isn't that sad? All that fucking loser had to do was just not be a douchebag. But I don't even think it's him either. Yeah, okay. Cool. You're just a pro douchebag who needs attention. That was a nice pop. 707. We went up over 200 points. Well, I'll have 5 funded Apex accounts tomorrow. I got 3 locked for a payout. I just need 2 more flip days. And I'll be getting over 4,500 on those. Definitely got taken off the tit way too soon, LeBron's. Or never got it at all. Ron. How does it work with Lucid? I'll drop a link in the chat. Payouts. I don't know if you're talking about evals that you passed to get funded accounts. Here is how it works. My crotch was hey, way to come clean. That right there, that link will give you everything you need to know about Lucid. It's 40% off 25Ks and 50Ks, 30% off everything else. If you've never had an account with them before, you'll get an extra 5% on your first account you buy with the best code ZERODAYJAY, all those discounts. And here's my link. Well, yeah, Chris, They only have a 20% consistency rule on the straight to funded accounts. It's 35%. It's 35% on pro accounts. On accounts like these, damn, look at that shit go. My take profit pretty much got hit. 681. Yeah. I got in it. That's so fucked up. Oh, I would have been fucking golden on this. I let myself get shaken out. Look, I let myself get shaken out, and then it fucking blew through what would have been my take profit. Awesome. Yeah, yo, Chris, yeah, only on the straight to funded accounts is 20%. That's not the worst thing in the world, though. It's 35% on the eval on the test to pro accounts. The ones that you, if you pass the test account and you get your funded account, those are 35%. Tim, you can't say ninja? I see it right there, bro. Yeah, no problem. No problemo. Amadou. Stephen Cox. You miss me get fucked on one account. Another one I kind of fucked myself. But I got 3,000. I got up. These should be passed. I mean, fuck me. I'm so annoyed about that. That I'm annoyed about. I'm annoyed about that. Yeah, no problem, Chris. Yeah, Corey. Yeah. Oh, you got it the 6.8 bounce? Yeah, the 618 bounce. I mean, I got some more. I got filled when I was in the bathroom. I got some more, but I didn't. I got taken. I get it happens to me a lot. I get taken out on the pullback. Like my trailing is like in the perfect spot for it to go up more after I get taken out. It's fucking annoying. Micah. That's good, Stephen Cox. I'm annoyed because fuck, man. At that point, I needed what? 50 ticks. It went up 100, 130. What's NQ doing? NQ trying to make new high on the day. Handsome Dan, what up? Can you feel me? What? Oh, I see, Micah. Yeah, so now you're basically max allocated. Not max allocation unless they're all 150s, but you have as many funded accounts as you're allowed to have. That one will just wait its turn. Look at the way that shit fucking changes. Nice job, Cajun. I just got tricked. That's loud. $8.43. Wishful thinking. I don't feel like losing money. I don't feel like giving back any money on this account. What? Just, you know, it would be so much easier on myself if I just held the original trade. You know? Where is this from? It's not rocket science. Just fucking hold a fucking trade for once. Imagine this goes all the way down and fucking fills me. The question is, will I still be in the trade? Tyler, I was just thinking about you when I was in the shower. Technical. Logan. Look, it's going to come up here, take me out, and then drop lower. I fall for it all the time. What's NQ doing? Look, what? Fucking dump now, motherfucker, bro. Dude, every fucking time. Watch this. It like finds my fucking trailing stop, hits it, and then goes back in the direction that my trade was in. Look, every fucking time. Every fucking time. Every fucking time. Can't make the shit up. It doesn't matter where I put the fucking trailing stop. It finds it. Yeah, at least it feels that way. Zoe, what's up? F trades. Nice job. Nice job. Raphael. Oh, crazy cut. It's fucking crazy, bro. It's crazy. Yeah. P. You would think so, right? Look. does it know to come exactly to that shit? Where was my take profit? I just canceled it. 743. Amazing. Fucking crazy. Look at it go. It went down 45 more ticks. 45 times 4. 40. 1,800 more fucking dollars. I'd be done. I think I'd be done. Was I in 2 or 4? I was only in 2. So it was 19. It was $900. Samuel, it's fucking crazy. I think they just know, like the algo knows where people fucking like to put their trailing stops or something. All that really matters though is that I'm fucking 2 days and $316 away from another 2,000 from Lucid. I am $150 or more days away from another 3,000 with bulenox, and I am 2 flip days away from 4,500 from Apex with these 3 accounts. So across those 3 accounts, 4,500 plus first, we're talking $9,500 across 3 firms. So anything else, nothing else matters to me. Fuck yeah, J Stores. Someone's in a heater. Hey, Christopher Branzel, that's a win, man. That's a win. That's what I get for being responsible and using a stop, right, McLovin? Crazy. 618. Look how fucking much lower this came. Amazing. Yeah, J Stores. Now, like, now you have like, now now you have like the now you know what you need to do, bro. Just keep doing it. Perry Dollar to make them holla. Amazing. Here, look at this one too. It went a little bit lower and then fucking pumped. Fuck yeah, technical. Isn't it great when you fucking like when you're stacking payouts on top of each other from multiple firms? Even if it's the same firm, you just have all these overlapping payouts. It's great. That's how crazy this prop firm shit is, or it can be. Results not typical. Results not typical, guys. Okay. What is NVIDIA doing? NVIDIA. NVIDIA is up 4%, over 4% after hours. What's Apple doing? Damn, son. Someone's big mad. NVDA sales up. One-stop trader. Yeah, bro. They pay the same day. Well, not the same day, but like if you sometimes they do. It depends on when you request. But it's usually like the next morning. Usually the next morning. Yeah, that's what. Yeah, exactly. Yep. Around this. Yeah, that's usually like when I got my payouts. When I was, anytime I request, it's usually around that same time. Isn't it great when the mistakes actually work in your favor, JT? Free, yo, they pay literally within a minute or two. Free space. They pay fast as fuck. Watch. Payout requested on at 222, approved at 222. The money got dumped into my bank account at 225. Let me see if I can find another one. The other one that I did. The one before that. I got to scroll through a lot of payouts, though. Hold on a sec. Got to scroll through a bunch of payouts. All, you know, this is all fucking Photoshop shit, by the way, guys. I'm lying. All bullshit. Look at this. This was the one before that. 518, 519, 519. I don't even think these were a minute apart. They pay fast as fuck. Even on a Friday. I requested on Friday. That last one I showed before this one was on Friday. And I just need another 316 bucks in this account right here. Oh, man. In this account right here. 316, 316. I need two more $100 days, tomorrow and Friday, if I could do it in those 2 days, and 316 bucks. And I'm requesting another 2,000 from the same account. Yeah, once they approve you. Yeah, Micah, I photoshopped that shit for your protection and my safety. Yeah. One-stop trader. Yeah, they pay super fast. They're fast like My Fund Futures. If not faster. They're like neck and neck. Is there any way to remove the daily loss limit? The 25K accounts don't have a daily loss limit. The 25K test accounts do not have a daily loss limit. And when you go pro, they don't have one either. They use free space. They use Plaid, actually. You connect your bank account. If you're international, they might use something else, but in the US, they use Plaid. Let's see. Let's see. Is it on here? It's probably on another place. Payout method. Payout providers. Work, yeah, that's what it was. Work market or Plaid. If you're international, you'll have to use work market, but that happens fast too. From what I heard. But Plaid was like literally fucking instant. Like the money was already in the account too, in the bank account. Yeah, Nathaniel, 40% off 25Ks and 50Ks with the best code ZERODAYJAY. And if you've never had an account with them before, you could get 5% off, an extra 5% off whatever account you end up getting. Oh man, I wish I got filled. I'm gonna get filled this way, and I'm not gonna be. I don't wish I get filled down here. How it bounced off the 707. Of course, I don't have my order there. Yeah. So yeah, if you get if you grab a 50K, you'll get 45% off. And resets are pretty cheap right now too. Dude, come on, man. Come down a little more and fucking film it. What's NQ doing? NQ's looking to make new highs on the day. Is it trying to go to 25,000? They're going to use Project X probably until they can't anymore. I wouldn't grab an account. If I were you or anybody and you want to grab accounts at prop firms that offer Project SlipX, I would not grab an account with Project X. I would use tradeday. I think it's going to be gone on all these firms in February. It's basically supported until February. Maybe they'll make it. I don't know. Maybe something will change between now and then, but fuck that. If you could trade on tradeday, then trade on tradeday. Oh, the international money takes that long? Yeah, sorry about that. Still pretty quick, though. You probably got approved within a minute, though. I don't know how it works with the other shit. They might have to manually add that shit. It might not be what's up, Trent? It might not be whatchamacallit. It might not be like seamless and automated. Yeah, Fred, I don't know. You know what? I'll probably grab a PC, a cheap PC laptop, as in piece of crap, and download Rhythmic, or download Rhythmic on my daughter's gaming PC, just to get the license shit signed, and then trade with like Rhythmic Trader Pro or something. I don't know. Ninja Trader Mobile? Yeah. Project SlipX, I know. Who would name their shit Project SlipX? Crazy. Nah, it should be good now. This site. Look. Site's loading fast as fuck now. The only thing there might be a little bit of a delay on when your account shows up in Tradeovate. Damn, it's 155 already? Fuck. I mean 455? UA, what up? Motive Wave from Mac? I could connect to Rhythmic with that shit? I don't want to pay for it though. I think you have to pay for Motive Wave. I'm not paying for that shit. Pricing, yeah. $24 a month is not terrible. But it's only for one broker. If I want to have multiple broker connections so I could copy trade, I have to pay $100 a month minimum. Or I could buy it. Yeah, right. You're wild, Mr. Rogers. Yeah, right. I heard about Tradecopia. The issue I still have is like I still got to fucking download Rhythmic somewhere. I'll worry about that when shit. Oh, what the fuck happened? Oh, I ran out of time. The order got filled and I at least I got out for a gain. I forgot about that. Lucid stops trading at 445. The order got filled and I got taken out real quick for a gain. I still got more money. I wish, oh man. That's funny. Well, whatever. I'll take $1,354 in all three of these accounts. I'll see if I could get them the rest of the way during the overnight or some shit. I would like to stream during the overnight. I wanted to yesterday, but I was fucking exhausted. Mr. Rogers. Yeah, Apex site looks like it's loading really good right now. That's TradingView. Yeah, it looks like it's loading just fine. See how quick it's loading? I'm hitting refresh. I think all the shit that was going on with Apex is done now. Use the best code ZERODAYJAY. What's tomorrow? Anything tomorrow? Tomorrow's Thursday. We got non-farm payroll tomorrow at 8:30 in the morning. And unemployment claims. Well, this is tentative. Probably right after. You got FOMC member Hammock. Some jerk off talking. Anything going on tonight? China's loan rates. And then in terms of earnings, I don't know if there's anything major earnings wise for the rest of the week. You got, this is it. Intuit might you might get a little bit of a pop or drop with Intuit, but nothing crazy. Got to watch out for Copart though. That's the one. Copart is a huge fucking NQ mover. So tomorrow the big one is non-farm payroll. That's funny. I got filled and it went up how many ticks after I got filled? 63. Went up 28 ticks. It went up 28 ticks and I only was able to get like 2 because I ran out, the shit was expired. I wasn't even supposed to be able to trade that shit. It took me out right away. Pasalisk. I hate when I miscalculate. I've been there. I kind of made a similar error over here with this account. I went to enter my take profit, but I tried to do it. I was short and I tried to put a short take profit in like an idiot instead of doing long. So it didn't execute. It didn't rejected the trade or whatever. And then I fucking missed it. And then I tried to what did I try to do anyway? It just went the other way when I did finally get back in. And I fucking blew that shit. But I did pass another one. So whatever. I'll have 1, 2, 3. I'll have 500 accounts for the next session. These 3 are already locked in for a payout. I just got to flip. This one's got 1 day in so far. I'm up 320. I'm closing in on more payouts. I'm closing in on literally just under $10,000 worth of payouts. Nah, their site, if you're talking about Apex, that shit's running fast as fuck now. Apex is loading. Look, Casa Lisk, look, bro. Shit is loading fast as fuck now, boy. I think it's good. I think Apex is good now. Their site. So here we go. Can I get another $316 in the next 2 days? I really need at least 100 a day for 2 more days. That'll be 2,000. I need 2 more days of $150 or more on these, and then I can flip the rest of the way. That'll be 3,000. And then these, I just got to flip 2 more days also, and that'll be 4,500 minimum. Yeah. At least it's working now. I mean, the deal's still good. Maybe they'll extend it. I don't know. Maybe they'll extend it. Anyway, Jay Hundo, what up? Yo, Jay Hundo, you still here, bro? Don't just enter and exit. Take a trade with like a micro and trade not to lose that much money. Tony Gold. Yeah. Trade not to lose. Don't flip. Don't like enter and exit right away. Trade, put a take profit and a stop loss. Do it that way. Maybe wait until it's moving a little slower. They don't want you to quickly round trip a trade. Otherwise, you'll be good. Yeah, bulenox is 10 days. Yep. I just need 2 more days of gains. I need 2 more days of 150 or more. Then I got my 8 days out of 10. And then these 2, I will trade, but I will trade not to lose. I'll put a daily loss limit on the accounts. I still need to get 2 more days of 150 or more. So let's just say I do. I don't want to get ahead of myself, but if I could get the job done, then on days 9 and 10, I will do what I did with this set of days. I set my daily loss limit on the accounts for $250. I hit it on this one, and then this one I got it all back. I won the trade. So that's what the plan is. No problem, Jay Hundo. That will be the plan if I could get this done. So we'll see. We will see. What time is my fucking physical therapy appointment? Anyway, sorry. I was looking at my phone. Obviously. I'm trying to find my fucking appointment. Oh, it's at 3 o'clock. 3 o'clock. All right, well. JT. Did I like the NVIDIA earnings report? I don't really care. I don't really give a fuck about NVIDIA in the case, son. I was right about the pump. Well, I mean, I had one order and one account to go long, and I had one to go short if in case it dropped. The one that went long, I somehow fucking blew the account anyway, even though I was right. But I don't give a fuck about NVIDIA as a company. I could give a fuck less. Barlow, what up? Yeah, man. I only have one red day. I've had these accounts since November 3rd. And the reason why I'm not trying to get massive big days is because 749 is my biggest day. And all I need for it to count as a trading day is more than 20% of 749. I just need $150 or more. And my balance, well, I'm hiding my balance to be, because I want to be like those coaches. Let me unhide that shit. So I'm way up there. My account's almost at 6,100. I don't need to fucking slam the account. I just need to have my days, get my days in and request again. That's all I'm trying to do. 2 more $150 days and I lock in another 3,000. How hard can it be? Yeah. At least they got their site there. At least Apex got their site running before fucking non-farm payroll. Let's see if they extend it. Do you think they extend it? That'd be awesome if they extended the sale. Nah, not yet. Maybe they won't. I mean, Black Friday's coming up anyway. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna bounce. I gotta get ready. I gotta take a shower before I go to physical therapy. So anyway, smash the like button on your way out for Trevor LeConte. Subscribe to the channel. I appreciate you guys as always. Yeah, Jack, I'm gonna hide it again. Don't worry, bro. Enjoy the rest of your day. I'll be on for Power Hour tomorrow. Maybe later on tonight. I'm hoping I could get on tonight. That's the plan, at least. But I'll definitely be on tomorrow. I'll be hanging out in the Discord. I'll see you guys soon. Thanks again. Peace.